Hi, I'm a functional nutrition coach who helps people resolve their energy and fatigue issues while also losing weight naturally. So I really love spreading health information to those people that are interested in improving their overall health and wellness. And so what I'm doing is I'm hosting a free health webinar called The 6 Little Known Culprits That Are Causing You to Become Fatigued and Exhausted and the Fastest Ways to Increase Your Energy for Good. Now those people that can attend live, they will get a free ebook called Healthy Delicious Energy Boosting Recipes. Now if you can't attend live, that is totally okay. You could still register and you will get in your email inbox an actual recording of the webinar. So if you want to know more, go to heartfulfoods.com/register and you can learn more about the details of the webinar. And you could also learn more about me, and you have the opportunity to actually direct message me and I'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Again, I encourage everybody to contact me with your health related questions or comments because I really love spreading the wealth of health to those people that are interested and also always improving themselves. And so when I see those changes, it really makes me feel good that I could make just a little tiny bit of a fraction of a change in your life to make you overall a better person. So, like I said, my name is Brandon Drake and I'm a functional nutrition coach and a therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com, where food is medicine.